Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to double space your text in Google Docs. Let's start with the first step, selecting your text and applying double spacing. First, highlight the text you want double spaced, or if you want to select the entire document, just press Ctrl+A to highlight everything at once. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on the Format tab. From there, hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing and then choose the double option from the drop-down. You can find it right here. Once you do that, the selected text will automatically be double spaced. Now let's say you want to go back to single spacing. That's just as simple. Again, highlight the text or press Ctrl+A if you want to change the whole document. Then go to Format, hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing, and this time choose single or whichever spacing you prefer. Google Docs often uses 1.15 or 1.5 spacing. This is fine for most casual documents, but for academic or formal writing, double spacing is often required. And that's it. Now you know how to apply and remove double spacing in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.